This video is the 94 FL that I'm doing, and the video is for the wiring and what's left on the frame because I'm going to get it powder coated. So for the wiring, it comes underneath the dash, and I could take the dash off as one piece. Then it comes down the frame under those bolts, and then it comes down here, kind of goes down, and then kind of have this. It's a mess right now because it's all kind of everywhere. And then the other thing I wanted to point out with this is you have a rubber grommet here, and you have one there, and I do have replacements for these. And then they're the mounts for the foot pegs for the rear passenger, along with the mounts for the swing arm. And you have some bolts for the floorboards. There's also the wiring that goes up underneath the cowl, and that bolts on up here on the top triple tree. And that is for the that's for the wiring harness. And then come around the other side, and you have the wiring that's kind of over here. This is some of the battery wiring, and wasn't real organized. You also have a rubber grommet here. On the down tube, you have this metal bracket, kind of contains the hoses. You also have this mount for the rear exhaust. I'm not sure that that's used when you go to drag pipes. There is two metal caps, one on each side of this cross